Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another sewing project. Please don't mind my dark glasses, I'm just trying to covering up my puffy eyes. So our today project is this gorgeous dress, which is everything is perfect about this dress. All we just going to have a fix zipper on a back which is hanging on a one side. I already have a teach in my different videos how to replace a zipper on a jackets or other projects, which you guys learned so well, and I just love the feedback you guys keep giving to me. But today I'm going to teach you if it's possible to fix this zipper. I already did these kind of projects with so many clients, and they really appreciate that. These kind of projects are very quicker. If you are able to fix a zipper, you have to give it a try first before replacing it. So let's go ahead and start out with the project. So for this project, I'm just going to use a matching thread with the needle, and then I have a thread cutter. You can use a scissor as well. So the first of all, or if you have a seam ripper or you want to open from the bottom, you can still do that. But because we have a metal pin here, I still have to remove this. So simply what I'm gonna do, just make a little cut on the opposite side zipper. So my zipper is hanging on one side, as you can see on this side. So I'm gonna make a cut on the bottom of here, so I can have a little way to insert zipper. Okay. Just a little snip. Okay. All right. So now we're simply gonna bring down our zipper here and try to insert zipper. Okay, it's got insert. Now the next step, as you can see, the zipper is still open. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we are just pressing on both sides of zipper, and then we will give it a try again. So the thing which I had did with this zipper, I had put little pressure on the top here and even go on the back and also put pressure on the back as well. So that helped me to have like a tightness on this metal piece. And now if you see, it's closed perfectly. Isn't that awesome? If I show you the full zipper, see that it's closed perfectly. And now the only thing I have to do, just go back, and I am going to close the opening where we had to give little snip. You see that there's a little opening here. So I'm just going to hand stitch it. Okay. Back, forth, back, forth. And after closing that, our project will be finished. So see that with the simple tips and techniques, you can save your expensive dresses. And that's it. See that? Open it, close it. Perfect. And as you can see, we have did our project very nicely and quicker, and by using a little tips and techniques you can fix so many things around. If you really get inspired by our today project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking and DIY projects. If you are new to my channel, just go ahead and subscribe so you can get all the further update related with this channel. If you're already regular subscriber, I'm sure you're already enjoying all the wonderful projects over here. Thank you so much for your love, encouragement and support to my channel, which make me keep posting more and more. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are and have a lovely fabulous day. Bye bye.